So the plan is to put some RGB rope LED lighting on my pergola outside. My pergola is approximately 3 metres by 3 metres. It's not very big, but I thought, oh, could do a nice bit of lighting around there. I've got some bulbs, and I thought I'll take all them down and put some LED rope lighting up. And yeah, I ordered it from Amazon, link in the video description below, and it comes with a remote control. It comes with the actual LED rope lighting. It also comes with instructions, as you would expect anyway, and some clips for mounting it on, say, a wall or something like that, which I'm not going to use. Now, one thing you should always do before you start installing LED lighting, make sure it works, of course. You have to test it just in case it doesn't work. It's nothing worse than fitting it all up only to find out it doesn't work. I also bought an outside box to put the plug in so it doesn't get wet. Waterproof box, and I thought, I could put an extension lead in there just in case I need extra plugs. So luckily I already had an extension cable somewhere, and I thought, that'll do. I can put that one in that box and use that. Now, installing it again is quite straightforward. I use double-sided tape. Actually, I used a 3M double-sided tape, and I just cut it in half because it's a little bit too wide. And I thought, oh, if I cut it in half, I'm getting double the amount, aren't I? Yeah, see? Good thinking, eh? Oh, I'll stick a link in the video description for that as well, just in case you want to buy the 3M. Now, I did buy 10 metres of the actual cable, and I thought, well, that should be enough. And it was, but in hindsight, it would have been better if I bought a couple of LED lights, and I could have done some different patterns, you know, one round the top or one going up the arms and down the other side, something like that. But it does look extremely good, especially when it's dark, and it works very well. Even my neighbour, the one that side, she said to me, I thought you had fireworks going off in your garden. I see all these flashing lights. She goes, it does look impressive though. It also comes with a Q code for downloading an app. It's called the Lotus Lantern. This little baby here. And yeah, you'll be surprised how well this actually works. Now, one of the things I did find out is when I turn it on, it actually turns on my inside lights as well as the outside lights. And you can sync them up together, which I thought, that's brilliant. So you can choose multicolours. I will show you in a bit. You can also choose from here as well. Look at this. And you can go through different combinations. I quite like the seven colours crossfade. That's quite pretty. I will show you, like I said, in a second. You can do it to music, whether it be music on your phone or music from your speakers by hitting that button now. Yes. Microphone not in use. That's because I'm doing recording at the moment. And you can do things like scheduling, believe it or not. So the app is very good. You can choose colours individually just by clicking on that, or just by clicking on these down here. Yeah, I love it. Brilliant. Love the actual app. It's even better than using the remote. Although the remote does work pretty well. Don't get me wrong. It's a very good remote. There's lots of choices on it. And I do believe you can configure your own settings as well. Not that I'm going to be doing that, but I just thought I'd point that out to you. So let's get back to my styles. Yes. Like I said, I will show you in a minute. But I wanted to show you the app and how easy it is to work. And there's no configuration, it just works. You just install the app, and then all you need to do is turn it on. So you turn it off first and turn it back on, and it works. Job done. Using the app, you can see the outdoor lights and the indoor lights, and yeah, they work together. Yeah, I wasn't expecting that, and I thought, oh, that's interesting. That does both. Brilliant. Let me know in the comments what you think. So yeah, I'm pleased with it. Hopefully you enjoyed the video and you're pleased with it. If you are pleased with it, you know what to do. Subscribe, click on the bell for notification, and give this video a thumbs up. Don't forget, check out the affiliated links in the video description below. Ching ching.